We have always, taken all of this seriously. It's a serious matter, and it doesn't matter who the person is, if it's an elected representative or it's a common man, if it's a business person. I think that threat taken or given to anybody is something that is not acceptable by the government. And obviously, we work towards ensuring that the safety and security of all our people is there. As I said, it's not the question of whether a person is a elected member, a VIP, or a common man. For us, every single life and every citizen is important. So, obviously, from our side, we take every step to ensure that proper safety and security is given to all our people. We'll have to examine that aspect because there are again plus minus the reasons why they had not wanted to continue in the past, and of course we have to get Government of India on board. So these kind of things are not like we can just start something today and stop tomorrow. It's a process, and there's so many stakeholders involved. There's a lot of machinery that's involved, a lot of preparations to be done, and hence we'll have to deeply consult with everybody.
Voice of the People Party, kadap na so kilit ka bakraw, haba kayo ka Jing Byrngem jong ka seng Hnlc ban peniap ikinongelam juga party kebalami hakilat pathai kapor. Kum ka party iko ban penrem jur ya kan Jing Byrngem peniap jong ka seng Hnlc. Iko aro ban on ni. But you pipe out legit the Voice of the People Party ban Shah Haba District Council. Kumta ke Hnlc kam lan hapan tuklar ke jing trekam ke jing Haba District Council. They don't pipe out wala ban bread ingin Haba District Council. Lalu Shim ke jing trekam ke jing kalau persya ike ban ini la kular yo pipe out. Ni ko aro banong ni. But ni tip hiru